Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I have two simple methods to help you unlock a protected Excel sheet, even if you forgot the password. Excel is fantastic for storing and analyzing data, but it can be frustrating when you're locked out of a protected sheet. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll be able to access your files without any hassle. Let's dive right in. Alright, our first method is super easy and works great if you're looking for a fast online solution. We'll be using a website called LostMyPass.com. Here's how it works. Open your browser and go to LostMyPass.com. When you're on the site, you'll need to verify that you're not a robot by completing a simple CAPTCHA. Verify you're human by completing the CAPTCHA. Now, upload your password-protected Excel file by selecting it from your computer. Upload the password-protected Excel file. Once your file is uploaded, just wait a few seconds while LostMyPass works its magic. The website will remove the protection from the file for you. Wait a few seconds for the processing to complete. And that's it! Once the process is done, you can download the unprotected version of your Excel sheet and access it without any password restrictions. Download the unprotected file. LostMyPass is a quick and effective way to unlock Excel files without any technical steps. But if you prefer not to upload files online, let's move on to our second method, which you can do right on your computer. For our second method, you won't need to upload anything online. This is a hands-on approach that uses file renaming and a bit of editing. Let's go through it step by step. Open the folder containing your Excel file. Click the three-dot menu. Select Options, then go to the View tab. Under the View tab, uncheck the box that says Hide extensions for known file types and click OK. This will let you change the file extension. Now, rename your Excel file from filename.xls to filename.xls.zip. After renaming, double-click to open the zip file. Inside, go to the Excel folder and then open the Worksheets folder. In this folder, you'll find each sheet from your Excel file. Right-click on each file and open it with Notepad++. Open each sheet file in Notepad++. Once the sheet is open in Notepad++, search for the term Sheet Protection. This tag is what's keeping the sheet locked. Search for Sheet Protection and delete the entire tag or string. After deleting the Sheet Protection tag, save the file. Repeat this process for each sheet in the Worksheets folder if you have multiple sheets. Save each modified sheet. Once all sheets are saved, copy the modified files back to the zip folder. Copy modified files into the zip folder. Now, rename the file again, removing the .zip extension to turn it back into an Excel file. Rename the file back to filename.xls. That's it! Open the Excel file and you should be able to access it without any restrictions. And there you have it. Remember, always use these techniques responsibly, especially with sensitive or confidential information. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments which method worked best for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.